Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to port forward your own Minecraft server, like I said I would in the previous episode of how to make your own bucket server. Well, if you want to play online with other people and have an actual server so that they can join, you're going to need to port forward your server. And many people don't get how to port forward your server. I mean, many people have Netgear, which I don't have, and well, first of all, you're going to need to have like a wireless network, and a lot of people use Netgear, which works quite well, but I use Belkin, which works just fine for me, so I'll be showing you how to do it with Belkin. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to open up the server that you previously made. You're going to need to go to your server Notepad, and here's where you can just change a ton of the information about your server. But where we're going to be focusing on is right here, the server IP. And I just want to go over this area right down here, like right over here, because there's some important stuff that you need to enable and disable here. So what you're going to need to do for your server IP, you're going to need to open up your internet browser. Anyone, type in 192.168.8.2.1, and then you're gonna open that up. Don't even search for it in Google. And you probably will be taken to a Netgear page, but if not, you'll be taken to a Belkin page. If you're on Belkin, like I am, you're gonna click here, sign in first of all, then click here, and then if you already have other servers running, other virtual servers, click on a new description box right here, and type in maybe like test server. You can name it whatever you want. And here's the tricky part that everyone does not know at all. So you see right here where it says server-port. That is important. You need to know that if you're going to join without a colon, so if I don't want to join with let's say my IP was 56.45.14.13, and I don't want to join with a -25565, I need to keep it at 25565. If not, Minecraft will not recognize it, and you'll need to place a colon. You may notice this with some servers, some small servers, they tend to have 65566, maybe 406, something like that. And if you don't want that, keep it 25565, and I'll show you how to in this tutorial how to just keep it 25565. Alright, so now we're gonna go to our inbound port, and we're gonna type in 25565 or whatever this is, and you're gonna type in the same thing for this 25565. Same thing with Netgear. You're going to change this to TCP and UDP, and that's very important. And here comes the tricky part. If you're on a Mac, you need to open terminal, and I don't exactly know how to do it very well on the Mac, but you want to open up command prompt, which is very easy. Just, if you have Windows 8, just type in CMD and open it up. If you have Windows 7, just go to the start button and click and type in for the search, type in CMD. And what you're going to need to type in is ipconfig. And you'll be brought up with this big mumbo jumbo of stuff. What you're going to look for is your IPv4 address, which will change over time, like every 5 months, which is crazy, but just keep track of that. Mine is 192.168.2.3. Yours will probably be 2.1 or 2.2 or 2.3 or 2.4. It goes up to like 5. And now just know that number, keep it in your head, and no matter what, the prefix stays the same. So you're going to see 192.168.2. And you're going to fill in what it is. And once you're all done, you're either going to click Save with Netgear or Apply Changes with Belkin. Okay, I see what I did. just letting you know that I already have a server with the 25565, so I actually will show you how to do it with a different port. Just close this. We don't need this. I'm gonna change the port to 25545. And so if I do that, I need to go into here and type in 25545. And another thing you guys should probably know is that you can also make 4 numbers for IPs, as you can see here in my Skyblock server, which I might do a series on. What you need to, you can either have a 5 or 4 digit number. You cannot have a 3, 2, or 1 digit number. And since we did that, you're gonna save this just like I just did. Exit out, apply changes, and now it should work. Alright, now just exit out of this. You don't need this anymore. Alright, now boot up your Minecraft. And if you watched my last video, you would remember that we connected with something called localhost, which is your local server. So if you were having it done, if you were having a server made by another person, you'd have to have them port forward it if you wanted to get on. Oh, new launcher version, thanks. Okay, so we're gonna hit play if you're 1.6.5, and you're going to go to Google one more time and go straight to google.com and type in what is my IP, and it will tell you right up here, which I'm not gonna release my IP, but in this blur you see here, that is my IP. So you're just gonna copy. I just copied it. Copy, and then paste it either in direct connect or add server, and then type in :25546 or 45, just like I said. Alright, so now let's start up the server like I just did, but apparently I don't know what happened. Generate the world. Okay, it's done. Now click join server. As you'll see right here, Leo player 1 is logged in with entity ID, and that's how you port forward a server. And then in my next tutorial, I'll probably be covering domains and how to get domain names and different websites you can use for domains, because I do have a few of them. One of them is free, a few of them are paid, but I'll be sticking with the free one for now until I get money. So thank you guys for watching. Probably be a link in the description to my next video on domains. Hope you guys enjoyed.